Hello students, welcome to my channel. So today topic is what? Pamphlet. So how pamphlet is going to be asked, first thing. Next thing is that how to write the pamphlet and from where the pamphlet will be asked. So what kind of things and necessary things need to be take part while writing the pamphlet. Okay. Now in generally if you take pamphlet questions are basically will asked from those areas like social issues in generally whatever is present. Okay, this is not a topic is basically will come in the concept like it's a general topic, it's not like that. So it is not out of the concept. So this is within the textbook where the people has planned. It means what, whether our topic means pamphlet topic which is correlated to society or not, or society issues are there or not there, this we need to think. It means as a student you need to make your own analysis, means this pamphlet is going to be exist in our exam or not. Okay, for example, if your lesson is there related to rivers, means water. So water is a general issue. Okay, nowadays pollution. For example, if you take girl education is there. So girl education also major social issue only. So most of the children are not going to, girls are not going to go for the school and they are not going to give the importance. So if at all any part of the lesson which is in generally related to society or not, we need to think about it. Then only these pamphlets are going to be raised at the time of exam. Okay, this is point 2. Now, so we will see the format, what we have to do and what kind of essential things we have to take in it. Okay, so first thing is what, we need to draw the 4 border lines. So we need to take one particular single paper. In one single paper only we have to write the pamphlet. Okay, so we need to take what, a single paper. While you are writing an exam, only complete part, that paper should be cover the pamphlet. So it means what, one paper is need to be fill up in exam. Okay, now so we need to draw the 4 lines, means 4 boundaries, margins. After that, now so that what, how then question will going to come. For example, they only themselves only they are going to make in the exam as a question. Okay, so what, how they will make, try to create a pamphlet or prepare a pamphlet on, they will only will give the topic like girl education or whatever. Okay, so that here whatever the question these people have made, that only will become as our title. Okay, that is only become as title. Okay, majorly in the pamphlet we need to see some areas. Okay, first one is what, title. Second is what, introduction. Second is what, introduction. Next is what, information. Next is what, reasons. After that, measures, suggestion as well as conclusion. And also we need to see those areas like slogans. Okay, slogans, right, number of copies. Okay, now printers. These are the major elements whether we are writing or not writing, that is the most foremost important. Okay, like once again I'll repeat, title is important. Title they only are going to give in exam, whatever the concept they are asking, that is only will become as a title. Next is what, introduction. Next is what, information. Then after that, reasons. Then after that, measures. After that, suggestions, conclusion. Okay, then next, number of copies, slogans. Here also wherever adjustable areas are there. And next, what, printers. Okay, now we will go into deep of it, each of every element. Now, so what I said you, whatever the question they are going to give you, that will become as a title, right? After that, introduction. Introduction means whatever the introduction, what the introduction you are going to write is, what you are going to write means what topic they have given regarding that, a short passage, 3 to 4 lines are enough. 3 to 4 lines are enough. Then you need to write in a short what you are going to supposed to write that. Information means information. Next is what? Information. So next information means what you know about it, how this general problem is going to rise. Okay, so whatever the concept you have in your knowledge, that you can try to write here. This is also not to more to extend, only just about 3 to 4 lines or 4 to 5 lines are enough as a body of the pamphlet. After that, reasons. Okay, so how this issue has become, right? What are the major reasons for this? Okay, that 1 2 3 points or else 2 points are enough. Why? Because time is very important at the time of exam. That is also we need to keep in our mind also. If not, then time we are going to reduce, then we're going to get the problem also. We need to give focus on other areas also which need to be covered. Okay, now next is what? Measures means how to protect. Okay, how to prevent this issue, how to stop this issue. That type of measures, 1 or 2 measures are enough. Very hardly, maximumly 3, minimumly 2 are enough. Next is what? After that, suggestions. After that, suggestions. So how you are going to suggest how this issue cannot be raised again in the future. So what you are going to do as a student, that suggestions you have to give. Next, finally is what? Conclusion. Conclusion means what? Overallly what you understood, what you know about it. Okay, what is your intention as a student about the society, that you have to write it. Finally what? Definitely when we are writing this pamphlet, for what cause we are writing this pamphlet? To create the awareness the society. When we want to create the awareness of society, means we are going to distribute these papers. Okay, we are going to distribute papers means definitely we are going to supposed to give someone as a printers, that people are going to print it. Okay, so now number of copies, how many are going to distribute, how many are going to distribute. Okay, this is most important. Then which printers you are going to give. For example, I mentioned as a ABC at the rate printers, ABC at the printers. Okay, ABC at the printers, you can write as your support ABC place, you can write any part of this. In this corner you have to write. Okay, in a single page you need to give your view, right? Then if it is possible, if you are going to draw any sort of picture, you can draw any sort of the picture. If it is possible with you, you can draw. If it is not possible, well and good. If it is possible, you can do so to attract the people, right? Then if it is possible, you can, if you know the slogans, then you can write I mentioned here in this area and in this area. Wherever the adjustable areas are there, if more impact need to be created on this pamphlet, you can. Okay, some questions will be like this: sir, whether we want to write with a pen or whether we need to write we use crayons or any color pencils like that is depends upon you. You will have a full pledge of the freedom to present as your wish. Okay, so how to attract the people, that is depends upon you. Pamphlets are what? In generally the social issues which will be take place in the society to create the awareness. As a responsible person, these issues should not be raised, so that we are creating awareness to the world. So that here it means in your surrounding of area. So how you are going to justify for this issue as a student. So that is what here this pamphlet intention is about. Okay, right? I whatever I explained, that may be helpful to you, I think, right? So this video will be helpful to you. So thanks for watching my video, and we'll keep forward this type of videos in the furthermore.